friends, my name is Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. Today we are going to talk about how to see a diamond through a 10x loupe or 10x lens. You will be surprised to know the worldwide standard magnification is 10x. All the laboratories worldwide, namely GIA or IGI, they use 10x loupes to specify grading for diamonds. So let's start with it. How to see a diamond. So first of all, you will be needing a tweezer and a 10x loupe. With the help of it, you can hold a diamond like this, and then you will bring it near to your eyes. You will place the loupe in between your eyes and the tweezer holding the diamond. Remember, the distance between the eyes and the loupe should not be more than 1 to 1.25 inches, and the same distance should be observed for lens and the diamond. The tweezer that is holding the diamond, it should be also at the same distance. Slowly you can rotate the diamond at this distance. You will be able to see the clearer picture on this distance. Remember to keep your both eyes open, because that's the key. If you will close your one eye, then you will not be able to focus. If you will open and use both your eyes, you will be able to focus and you will be able to see a clearer picture, a clearer diamond. It is by far possible that you will be able to see many inclusions in the diamond. If you're a layman, then it's hard to grade the diamond, because it needs a technical expertise. But being a layman, you can at least judge a diamond's basic color and you will be able to see inclusions easily which are lower than SI grades. Happy grading. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.